Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado yummy. First, let's pick the perfect one. Gently squeeze the avocado. It should yield slightly, like a ripe peach. Avoid any with soft spots or a stringy feel. Look for a dark green or purplish-black skin, which usually means it's ready to eat. A good avocado is the first step to a delicious experience. Now that you have your perfect avocado, let's prepare it. Carefully slice it lengthwise around the large pit. Then, twist the two halves apart to separate them. To remove the pit, gently tap it with the blade of a knife and twist. It should pop right out. Finally, use a spoon to scoop out all that creamy, delicious green flesh. To truly make your avocado yummy, simple seasoning is key. Start with a generous pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a bright, zesty flavor, add a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice. About 1 teaspoon works wonders. If you like a little warmth, a dash of red pepper flakes adds a subtle, pleasant kick. These simple additions elevate the taste. Now for the best part, enjoying your yummy avocado. Try it sliced on toast, perhaps with a fried egg for a satisfying breakfast. You can also mash it with a fork for a quick, creamy guacamole. Add avocado cubes to your favorite salads for healthy fats and a delightful texture. Or, blend it into smoothies for an incredibly rich and smooth consistency. The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.